yourself pass out.
She's so entertaining. Taylor, look, you're giving yourself a headache.
No more food? No more? Huh? You don't have breakfast no more? No more? All gone? Taylor, no, all gone. No more. No more. All gone. No more breakfast. No more. You ate it all. No more.
She looks all tired now.
No more. No more breakfast. No more. All gone. You ate it. No more. No. Eat my.